This is numbers 23 through 25. It says find the area of the sector. I know it's hard to see, but this is the area right here. We're going to find it by setting up a proportion. So there's my proportion. Remember, 360 degrees always goes on the bottom. What's our angle that goes with it? Well, our central angle is 131, so is our arc, 131 degrees. Since we're finding area, we're going to use the area formula, which is pi r squared. I know my radius is 12, so pi radius squared. And what we're trying to find is the area of the sector, so that's going to be our x. We're ready to cross multiply. 360x is equal to 131 pi 12 squared. We'll divide both sides by 360 here. And x is going to be approximately, give me just a second, 164.6 meters squared. That will be my final answer here. Number 24 says find the area of the shaded region. Well, the first thing we want to do is find the area of this whole sector here. So if I know that this is a 90-degree angle here, my central angle here is going to be 90 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my proportion. My proportion is going to be 360 degrees on the bottom. The 90 that goes with that area of the sector, the whole shaded region here I'm going to try to find. Since I'm dealing with area, I'm going to do pi, my r, which is 4, squared, and I'm trying to find the entire area of all this region here shaded. So we're going to cross multiply. 360x equals 90 times pi times 4 squared. Divide both sides by 360 so that these cancel. And we're going to get that the entire sector region is approximately, give me just a second, 90 pi 16. Okay, so it's approximately 12.6 units, or 12.6 meters squared. So then we're going to find the area of this triangle. Remember, the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Well, if this is the base here 4, and this is the height here 4, we're just going to plug it in. Area is 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 4. So that's 16, and half of 16 is 8. So this would be 8 meters squared. So if I took the area of the entire region here and subtracted off this area of the triangle, what's left is this part right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 12.6 minus 8. 12.6 minus 8 is going to give me 4.6 units approximately, or 4.6 meters squared would be the area of that little shaded region. And then finally, if we're doing the measure of our arc here, FG, I'm going to redraw this so that you can see this 134 goes with this arc right here, and we have that the radius here is going to be 8 for everything, so let's go ahead and set up our proportion. So it's going to be out of 360 degrees, I have 134 of them. I'm finding the length, so that's going to be dealing with 2, and then I'm going to have pi, what's my radius? 8, and I'm going to call this x here, so we can cross multiply. 360 times x is equal to 2 pi 8 times 134. And then we're going to divide both sides here by 360 so that these cancel, and I'm left with, give me just a second, it's about approximately 18.7 centimeters is my final answer.